Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are hanging out to being Queen B, and on today's video I'm going to do a simple tutorial step by step, and I'm going to take you through on how to achieve the look. So first things first, you have to moisturize. After moisturizing, you start with your eyebrows. So your eyebrows are very important because this can determine how your face looks. They don't have to look alike. They don't have to be twins. Let's just say they have to be close cousins, because eyebrows, no, right is not the same as left, if that makes sense. Like everything on the right is not the same as everything on the left. So I'm going to like clean up my eyebrows. Then after cleaning up my eyebrows, then I'm going to go to the next step. So what I usually do is start from the arch, from the inside, going outward. That gives me a really nice room and space to work while doing my eyebrows. Sorry for that. And then I am going to just brush it off and have a clean eyebrows. I just shaved my eyebrows, so it tends to like pick up a lot of products, so it's not going to be as smooth as it's supposed to be, but I will try my best to make it as smooth as possible. After all, our skin has texture, and texture show through makeup. So that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to go in with the primer. And what a primer actually does is to moisturize your skin before you apply your foundation. It also helps your makeup appear smooth and long lasting and give that airbrush finish. And this is the best primer ever had. Then I'm going to go in with illuminator. Today I wanted like that shiny kind of oily look because I was going for a photo shoot, so I needed my face to be like on the camera, be out there, noticed. So that is what I am going to go with. Then after that, I'm going to mix this Clinique and Zaron foundation to get my perfect foundation. The foundation is actually most of the essential element of your makeup, since when correctly applied, it can help provide your face and neck regions with an even tone, natural appearance. So choose your skin tone for your foundation depending on your skin type and your skin tone. So apparently right now I am kind of very oily because of the weather. The weather just keeps changing. At one point I'm dry, at one point I'm normal, at one point I'm oily, and then my skin tone has also changed, so that's why I am mixing them. So I'm going to blend for a proper amount of time, because girl, I've had cake face before on a photo shoot. Yeah, it appeared nice, but I didn't like it. Then I am going to conceal my under eyes. I've been anxious of late, so sleep has not been part of what I do. So I'm going to highlight my under eyes and the places that are supposed to be highlight or concealed. Then I'm going to take some few time and then blend it out. That gives the full coverage. I'm using a different concealer. This is from Jordache. It is a very nice it is a very nice concealer because it is the perfect undertone. It's not yellow, it's not orange, it's not red. It is exact. So that is what I'm using, and it's my favorite. So I'm going to blend that so that I can have that awake face and get rid of the shadow in the dark areas. Then for setting powder, I'm going to go in with Milani. I've forgotten the shade of that. And I'm going to not bake, but just powder it up. I am not going for that baked look because I was running out of time. So I'm just going to apply it and let it set as I do my eyeshadow. Before I go in with the eyeshadow, I had to apply contour, and contour actually give you the structure, after you've applied the foundation and the concealer, the bone structure of your face is low. So contour give you that structure that your face is supposed to have. So you apply it on the cheekbones, temple of your head, forehead, nose, and any other part that you want to be visible, like you want to be structured, like, you understand what I'm saying, like your nose, your cupid's bow, your chin, all those places. And also at the beginning of your eyebrows are always contoured, so don't be afraid to apply contour on that other side. Then I'm going to apply blush to bring the color to my face, because everything is toned, yes, everything is the same color, yes, but there is no color in my face. So I'm going to go in with eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow, sorry for that, for eyeshadow I'm going to use Glad Shame, and I'm just going to go for a simple neutral pink kind of theme today. So for transition, I'm going to go in with this pinkish kind of a shade, and I'm going to blend it. This needs eyeshadow, and like everything in makeup just need blending, so take your time to blend, don't go fast. Then I'm going to go with that white eyeshadow and just blend it in. So these are all matte eyeshadows, and they are all pigmented. Actually, they're really pigmented, so little goes a long way. And today I was just going for neutral. This is my shadow that you can structure your face. I am one person who is not double eyelid. I don't have that double eyelid. It's mono, so I try to make it like a double. That is because, yeah, as I said before, I don't get enough sleep. So this is something that you can wear to the wedding. And then I am a fan of winged eyeliner, and today I decided I'm not going to use eyeliner, I'm going to use eyeshadow. As I told you before, this eyeshadow is so very pigmented, so I am just going to use the eyeshadow. Simple as that. Then I'm going to apply mascara, then at the end of the day wear the lashes. So for the mascara, I'm going to go with naturalistic, and I love this because it doesn't clump up, it doesn't mess up my eyebrows. It's just something that is very simple. And I'm going to do my waterline, and I'm going to go in with the darker shade for like the outer part, and then for the inner corner or the outer corner, the inner corner, I'm going to go in with the white shade, and it's going to act as a highlighter, like makes my eyes look big. I really have small eyes. I tend to make them look big by just seeing and all that. And even when I talk, I just find myself closing my eyes while I talk, anyways. So then I'm going to use this lip tints from New York City, and I'm going to go in with not an ombre, but I think I don't know how I should call it. I don't know how it's called. I hope I'm going to get that name someday soon, but I was going for like just something simple, you know. And then I'm going to go in with lip gloss, and the lip gloss is also from Mary Kate and Ashley. It's a very nice lip gloss. For highlights or shimmer, I'm going to use streetwear, and I'm just going to brush it slightly because already I had illuminator underneath all that. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of it and just swipe it and blend it in. Now to set my face, I'm going to use Zaron setting spray. I've been saying I need to buy a new setting spray. I don't just buy it, but I will do that soon. Anyway, guys, that's the end of my tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Keep safe. Make sure you subscribe and comment. Bye.